रियल लाइफ में आपकी जवानी में नो एक्चुअली यूथ में आई डोंट नो व्हाट द राइट वर्ड टू यूज हियर व्हेन यू वर अ यंगर मैन अब तो यंग तो है डिड यू क्लैश विद गर्लफ्रेंड्स का फादर्स के साथ जस्ट एज वी हैव इन द फिल्म ऐसा कुछ डायनामिक था लाइफ में
था
तो बताइए सर
Hello.
थोड़ा बहुत
था
कैन यू गिव अस अ लिटिल आइडिया
not at all
नो नेम्स
no
हाउ डिड यू हैंडल इट आपका रियल कैरेक्टर
fought and then break up
fought and break up ठीक है सही जवाब so they're not happy they want more
can't get them more
Madhavan wants to say something bolo oh by the way you can interrupt each other इसमें कुछ process नहीं है anyone can say anything you could take Ajay's question also Rakul all good ना all great okay sir को एक और मौका audience क्या हो गया पाठशाला नहीं है suddenly went quiet okay no pressure sir but is there a small story or you want to make up something
no I wouldn't want to make up a story.
Okay, no worries. We'll come back to you in a second, no problem. Let's go to my other good friend, Maddie. Can I call you Maddie? मेरा Maddie का पहला मुलाकात I think 1994 में था. You won't remember. It's true. You won't remember. Can we call you the new Zaddy in town?
You can call me whatever you want.
Zaddy का मतलब क्या है? Oh, they like the Zaddy.
I don't know what Zaddy means.
I also not sure. Sir is the first Zaddy. Do you know what Zaddy is?
No, sir.
Zaddy क्या है? Gen Z Daddy. Oh, Paji, perfect. Gen Z Daddy. I think it's the wrong answer, but I don't want to trouble him. जो है वो है. Okay, I have one more good question.
I will love you too, man. Thank you.
Hey. Maddie, why did you bring family members? What's going on? Calm down.
We also love him.
My God. Ajay, let's go here. This is ridiculous. He's hijacked our event. Okay, ठीक है. I want to ask you one important question before. 1994 की बात है, अगर याद है तो you did a shoe ad with two other actors. Santosh Sivan was the director. The two other actors का नाम क्या है?
Priya Gill and you.
It's Sanjay Suri and me. And there was no Priya Gill, you naughty rascal.
No.
लड़की नहीं है उसमें. There was only 2-3 men running with.
It was a ad with Priya Gill and you and other guys were there, but it was an ad with Priya Gill. The only ad I did with Santosh. तू मेरा डेटा को मत यार धुकार दे यार क्या कर रहा है?
Can't believe Google it right now. There's no Priya Gill. I swear by God.
But we have to talk about Dede Pyar De now. Come on.
Back to
Let's
Dede
come back
Pyar.
there. Yeah.
Tell us a little bit about the lovely dynamic between you and Ajay. Which was hilarious, by the way. Give a big hand, guys. What you saw there. It's going to be absolutely fascinating.
It's as I've said before, when you go onto the set, you judge how much you're going to enjoy doing the film by how long people stay after the pack-up. On this set, with Ajay sir leading it and Anshul directing it, and with Love and the entire gang with the creative responsibility, it was very rare to see people running off after pack-up. Everybody used to stay back and wait and chat, and for me, that's a sign of people enjoying themselves, and I'm very sure that people will enjoy this movie with Ajay. Huh?
In fact, we used to get back to the hotel and again sit together, all of us.
That is correct. We shot abroad and still, I mean, we couldn't get enough of each other. That is.
So basically, एक room काफी है यार. वो producer साहब, why do we waste money on separate rooms? हाँ, एक hotel. All right, Maddie का support system. I feel it's paid for. I'm
Totally, brother.
Okay. Let's go to Rakul Preet. Rakul, can I call you Rakul?
Yeah, call me Rakul.
Or do I say Rakul Preet?
No, actually Rakul.
Rakul is better. Rakul, better chemistry किसके साथ? अजय और मीज़ान.
Now for that you have to watch the film. And
नहीं
you guys have to tell me that.
ये आंसर अलग आंसर है. वो आर्ट की आंसर नहीं, रियलिटी की आंसर है. दोनों.
But how can I say?
Ajay is looking at you right now.
The audiences have to say it, so you guys have to.
So that we know, the audience will enjoy the chemistry for sure. We saw on the trailer, it's fantastic, no question. Magar, kintu parantu, if you had to choose the chemistry between the two actors in real life.
No, I think I share a very good chemistry with both.
Miss India का आंसर आ गया.
हाँ, मतलब I think I can have a great chemistry with everyone.
Okay, love ji, I should back off ना. या और पूछो. Huh? It will become awkward. Sir, हाथ ऊपर कर यार. Don't sit like this. I feel very uncomfortable. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, wait. Maddie का support group है Rakul? Oh, पंगा चालू. All those for Maddie shout. Rakul?
But let me tell you, Maddie is my father in the film. So Maddie's support group or mine, it's coming
Same
to the
family,
same
एक family
family.
की चीज़ है, yeah,
So
right,
it
right,
doesn't matter.
This woman should have been a
Correct.
lawyer. I feel he's wasting talent. All right, let's move on. अरे बाद में love करो ना. Right now we are in the middle of conversation. My God, people are unbelievable. Rakul, worst moment on set? What is the worst moment on set?
Oh, there wasn't.
Okay, best. Then.
The pack-up possibly, yeah, I think he's right. Because honestly, when the film packed up, all of us were feeling so sad that this is the last day. Oh my God, we're not going to have our
नहीं,
chill sessions.
Prequel भी होगा.
वो तो अब यही बताएंगे.
हो जाएगा. If he stops chatting with his producer friends and comes back on stage in a minute or two. Okay, so the best moment?
Best moment, I think the entire film, yeah, journey. I think the bond that we all have created over this film's journey is just beautiful.
Not since Priyanka Chopra have I heard such answers which are perfectly in the middle. Not off stump or leg stump. Just played the ball perfectly. Well played. Well played. Let's go on to the Jaffrey boys, can I say?
Yeah.
Jaffrey boys. Javed is looking so lovely. Javed, everybody! One of the greats. When the history of Indian entertainment is written down, one of the greats of all time, complete all-rounder. Javed Jaffrey, I'm a big fan.
Thank you, sir.
Maddie ka support system, you can't come to this side now, stay there only. Kya baat hai, that's why we have 1.6 billion. Stop loving so much. Javed and Mizan, एक serious question. दोनों एक साथ एक घर में रहते हैं ना, तो obviously did you share conveyance or did you take two conveyance? Because technically they should have one conveyance. अगर एक घर से आते हैं set पे and going back in the same car. So I'm just putting it out there. What do you say? Would you like?
नहीं बचपन से बेटा है वो अलग बात है बट फिल्म में आने के बाद he's got his own identity and you know I'm glad and he works his own way I work my way so गाड़ी में आने की जरूरत नहीं producer was very generous he said 2 गाड़ी ले लो तो
Wow. Wow, excellent sir.
yeah very fantastic producers
Next time मैं accounts करते हूँ आपके लिए.
हाँ मुझे 2 दी थी एक्चुअली
Mizan,
मैं दोनों पे आया था
Where have we seen that scene before, yaar?
I wonder
Okay. Mizan. Give me 2 minutes. I'm 54 yaar. अजय देवगन का इंट्रो सीन चुरा लिया, गर्लफ्रेंड भी चुराई. Little bit dangerous, I would think. What are your comments?
a little bit dangerous but also a lot of fun and at the end of the day I'm just really grateful that I was given the opportunity to do that and Ajay sir is one of the most lovely people I have ever worked with honestly and
Yeah, man.
genuinely yeah so grateful to be working with him and they all I'm the youngest on set and they all came to my support they helped me in every single scene even जब मैं वो split कर रहा था गाड़ी पे Ajay sir came and helped me with my harness on that so really grateful
और अजय सर ने क्या कहा? How many marks did he give you?
love you guys thank you so much but that's you'll have to ask him you know
How was it, Ajay?
no he did it very very well
Yeah.
didn't take too long also
एक if you don't mind एक सवाल एबडी का था तब?
नहीं actually वो जो harness था
Javed!
no he just asked him to split
Don't worry, nobody was injured in the process. Daddy से tips मिला या नहीं? How does it work, father and son?
इधर टिप्स नहीं इधर टी सीरीज है
Prequel में lead role. Well played. Javed, who are you supporting? Your son or your friend? Your character rather. Picture में.
So, in character तो obviously I'm supposed to support my friend but हमारा एक जो relationship है some amazing kind of a
साथ?
love नहीं
अजय
अजय
के
के
साथ।
साथ हाँ because ये Ajay has like in the film I'm supposed to be his best friend I'm also a psychiatrist who needs a psychiatrist himself तो वो जो relationship है दोनों के बीच में amazing chemistry the way it's written the lines the way love and you know the writers have written fantastic lines the both of and you'll really enjoy it on the screen तो जिस तरह से एक relationship दिखाया जा रहा है screen पे Mizan obviously so you really don't know मैं इसको support कर रहा हूँ या इनको because आप जब dialogue सुनेंगे तो वो उसमें काफी तीखापन है so I think it's fabulously written script and at least my character I totally enjoyed it
But जावेद ये psychiatrist की बात अगर किया इसमें तो why is the P silent in psychiatrist?
why the P silent
हाँ वो psychiatrist में P है पहला फिर psychiatrist
psychiatrist
होता है.
नहीं पहले psychiatrist था अंग्रेज लोग ने चेंज कर दिया, बोला
अच्छा
ये
अच्छा, so please remember ladies and gentlemen, psychiatrist है.
psychiatrist. Yeah.
Good to know.
That's yeah.
Good to know.
Kuno, yes.
ठीक है, ठीक
Like tongue you, hold your tongue you.
बस stop it there before we say something wrong. Gautami ji, can I?
Why you call me Gautami ji? Call me Gautami.
But he's calling you mummy ji and bhabhi ji and all. What is wrong if I say?
That's in the film. That's
हाँ
in the
हाँ.
film.
तो ये फिल्म की इफेक्ट बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है. When you come out, you start thinking like that. It's normal. So I have a question for you. TV set या film set? कहाँ पे gossip ज़्यादा है?
Gossip हर जगह होती है, हर सेट पे होती है.
But if you had to
हमारे-
choose.
हमारे सेट पे नहीं हुई because like she said we really got along very very well, so there was no chance of any gossip, unfortunately.
हमारे सेट पे गॉसिप इसलिए नहीं होती थी क्योंकि जिसको जिसकी बुराई करनी होती थी एक दूसरे के मुंह पे करते थे।
Ah yes.
चलो ठीक है. एक एग्जाम्पल कर लो यार. Would you like to?
यार जब लोग हमेशा
He's
साथ
giving me
होते
dirty
हैं,
looks.
ये लोग साथ खा रहे हैं, साथ
नहीं,
कर रहे हैं।
साथ खा रहे हैं, साथ पी रहे हैं. उसके बाद तो 2 ड्रिंक के बाद तो एवरीथिंग इज
This you're not
हाँ,
supposed
पर
to- this you're not
wait, we have to know more. We have to know
This
more.
This you're not supposed to say. You know, दो drink के बाद. You're
दो
not-
ड्रिंक के
to
बाद.
teetotal.
Then no drinks on set. It's all lassi. दो drinks all lassi ना. Nobody drank anything else.
लेट्स सी वेयर यू गो अहेड विद दैट.
सर सब लाइव चालू है. पता नहीं दूसरे देश में. We have to be very careful. But before we go, I have one request, Gautami, because can you have your phone?
No.
अरे phone कहाँ है? Just give her the phone now. Fast. We don't have time, यार. People have to go home. जल्दी करना पड़ेगा. Can you call Ram? I want to say hi.
What rubbish.
Why? I'm a Ram fan.
Excuse me, but
Call-
you come for De De Pyar De too. So
हाँ,
I
हाँ.
take offense. So you better talk
But I
about
can't say
me
hello.
and my film, not about Ram. Okay?
Wow, मम्मी जी. थाक मैंने को मारा. I feel slapped on the face twice.
I have my own identity. Okay?
Okay. Wow, मैंने
Thank
क्या?
you.
ये सबसे गलत question. I'll never do this again. Oof. This is worse than my wife. All right, just kidding. We have Anshul. Guys, the director, I'm covering him all the time. Anshul, please come forward. यार सर जी का विजन है. Let's not forget this lovely trailer we've seen and the full picture. So the question is slightly a formal one. क्या pressure बहुत था obviously. I mean by name, these big name actors, sequel of a super hit film. But ये मत बोलना कि homegrown, home production है and all that. Did you feel a lot of pressure handling all this and to have a second success?
या प्रेशर तो डेफिनेटली था और मेरे पे नहीं, सब पे जो टेक्नीशियंस थे उन पे भी था. बट जब
सर का मतलब है सर पे प्रेशर नहीं है. Only cameraman and operators are to blame for everything. Fair, fair.
नहीं सब पे प्रेशर था. बट जब सपोर्ट मिला अजय सर और बेडी सर की तरफ से सपोर्ट और जो ट्रस्ट इन्होंने दिया तो फिर वो प्रेशर फील नहीं होता.
Favorite actor कौन है?
सभी फेवरेट.
अरे सबका एक ही जवाब है. सब इतना प्यार में कभी मिला नहीं लाइफ में. You're unbelievable. But it's good. It's good. Can we have Maddie's group shouting for Anshul, please? Yeah. And shouting for everyone? Okay. अभी let's call on stage सबसे important लोग, the people with us. Love Ranjan ji. Big hand, Love Ranjan. वो मैं करता ना, मैं कर order of appearance sir, order of appearance ये ले. Yeah. Next, can we have Bhushan Kumar? And now, Ankur Garg. थोड़ा crowded हो गया stage. We'll do this quickly. I understand. Sir, आप थोड़ा आगे आ सकते हैं because we have to ask you questions. हाँ, लव जी, पहली बात है कि वो पहली पिक्चर में obviously you've repeated some of the big names, Ajay, Rakul, and who else is repeated? Javed and me. तो ये prequel होगा या नहीं?
यार होपफुली होगा.
हाँ.
मतलब पहले पार्ट में लड़के के घर गए थे, लड़का मतलब आदमी के घर गए थे.
हाँ. तो आप
अब लड़की के घर गए.
ऑप्शन नहीं है.
अगर सब कुछ सही रहा तो फिर दोनों परिवारों को मिलाएंगे भी तो.
So they're already working on it. It looks like. Sir, रोल होगा या नहीं मेरे लिए छोटा?
सर ट्रेलर लॉन्च.
ट्रेलर लॉन्च को कोई भी कर सकता है. इस फैन लोग करेगा. इसमें क्या है? एटलीस्ट लाश का काम दे दो. कुछ डेड बॉडी बैकग्राउंड फोरग्राउंड. थिंक अबाउट इट सर. और राम को भी बुलाओ. इज माय फ्रेंड.
What are you obsessed, yeah? Cyrus.
बचपन का दोस्त है. We've been friends from the age of 6. I can't tell you the stories. They're horrible. Bhushan sir.
राम भरोसे.
एक अजय सर के बारे में. You have got a big bond. I think Dhamal 2 next year is also coming out. Lots of films you have done. Little bit about sir.
अजय सर के बारे में क्या बोलूँ मोइन से. We have such a great bonding together, and he is a great great person to work with. Always, मतलब हमेशा जितनी भी फिल्में हमने साथ में की हैं, तो he is always so supportive in everything. So thank you Ajay sir for giving us this thing always.
Ajay sir, Ajay sir. ये मैडी can't trust the audience here. कभी मैडी, कभी अजय, कभी रकुल, just going left, right, and center. Okay, Anshul, audience has changed. Those 2019 के बाद, they've got sharper, faster. There's more options. वो सब है. So, have you been influenced by anything to approach in the sequel, looking at how the world is changing around you?
नहीं, not much. We were just looking at making it bigger and better. So 2019 से पहले audience का taste तो बहुत different था, but we were lucky that the film was successful before the pandemic.
Sir, एक बात बताऊं मैं? This is not my question. They forced it. ये बहुत complicated question था.
वो लग रहा है.
समझ में भी नहीं आया.
लग रहा है.
Yeah, all good. Okay, before we open to press conference, anybody wants to say anything else nice about the film? This is the time to talk about co-stars के बारे में, technicians के बारे में, जो भी, if anybody wants to say anything.
इतना बोल लिए इससे क्या बोलेंगे?
ठीक है. Too much good feeling भी होता है ना. After some time, you have to bring it down a little bit. Guys, give a big hand to the entire cast. Yeah, wait. One sec. Gautami, हाँ.
We shot for some 40-50 days, and not a single day there was any actor who was late, or any crew member, or anyone who was late. So that is a record, I think, for every film.
Record! Talia!
I mean, having such senior actors, they were, I think, 5-10 minutes before our call time, and it was just amazing. So they led the team really, really well.
Who shouted 2 minutes late for press conference?
No. They were there 10 minutes earlier.
We're just kidding. Ajay was well on time. Mizan was where? Beta was doing his hair. Do it while you can. You'll soon be like us.